Here you go. Let's take this video in reverse order just to save time. So this is how you open one of these Philips living color lamps. This is the first model with only 3 LEDs, red, green and blue, so it can't really do white, and it cannot do dimming, so it's really insanely bright. So this is why I wanted to open this and do some modifications. And so there's no screws to see anywhere out on the outside. So this is how you open it. And these 3 screws in here, when you take these out, then there's no trying to open it here, right? It is this line that is where you pull it apart, right? Then when these 3 screws are in, then there is this just for covering up the electronics, and then the top lid. See, this one got these, so I kind of damaged this one and that one as well, because nobody tells you how to do this. So the thing is, you push this down and then you rotate it counterclockwise, just about 3 millimeters. So it says like click, and then it is open for pulling up. All right, this is how you open this thing. So there's no trying to pull it apart before you push down and screw. All right.